Alrighty, so we're gonna do a quick walkthrough on Pinehurst property. So, what's up, Landino? Yeah, here we're in the living room. Everything in here got painted. Got the decor going on. Got Govee lights right here. Govee lights are a must. And also, there's no actual light switch. There's no living room light up here. So this is like one of our workarounds. And it creates a cool vibe. I don't know how well the colors are showing up over there, but we can also switch it over to a warm light. You can switch it over to more of a work light. Now the Govees are a little bit delayed. Sometimes they take a little bit of time to... oh, that light. Oh, it is converting. It just changed. Okay. But yeah, so now it's like more of a wider light, so that way you have more light, in the room. Which I like white light a lot, but a lot of other people like the warm light. And then, boom, got regular lights in here. And then out here, we got our little sun porch area. Actually, I need to test something out. Same thing here. These are all Govee lights. So we have a remote over here where I think it's on fire right now. So I just turned it to warm. Maybe it's on warm right now. Let me see if this should be white light. Yeah, there we go. See, all of them changed, the ones outside. So these are actually separate strings. This string and the string outside around the pool. I don't know if you can see that very well, but and then I can change it to, this is more like party mode right here. Boom, all the lights just changed. You see, you can see like a latency in the two of them. But yeah, so now we're on like party light mode. Oh god. And then this is fire, I think. What do we got here? This is like a Christmas one. What else we got? I don't know what this is supposed to be. It's okay. I don't care for it that much. But whatever. I got this fire pit thing out here. This thing heats this room up. It's freezing out here, like 30-something degrees. But I needed to test this, actually, because Jenna said that... What's going on, dude? Yeah, so Jenna was saying that this is not staying lit. I don't know if it's out of gas or maybe it's just not heating up enough yet. Because there's a thermocouple in there that has to get hot enough to stay on. So, here's one. Ooh, that don't sound good. Okay, I'm going to shut it off for a second. Come over here. Hopefully it's off. I don't know what it's doing. Make sure this bad boy's on. I need to turn this on bright light. I think it is on though, or else we wouldn't have flame as much as we do. They might have burnt it out. It might be empty. I might have used the F out of it. White light, so we can see what we got going on here. Let's see what we got going on. It's open there. Feels pretty full still. I assume it just needs to be held longer. I'll come out here and test it in a minute, but maybe it's buried with too much rock. Might take a little bit of that rock out of there, and or just need to hold the heat on longer to make it, stay on. But yeah, let's change it back to a cool vibe. Which ones would we like? Oh, we're already on white light. Is that party mode? Come on, change it. Change it, dude. Yep, there's party mode. Boom. There we go. So, kitchen, did the black cabinets in here. New stovetop, new washer. We kept that. Trash compactor because it works and they're super expensive for no reason. New refrigerator. Obviously staged it out with all these things. We kept that because that's actually super expensive too. It's like $3,500 to replace that. And this is an old standard size. And we'd have to cut out this brick and everything to even fit in another one. And then we have... bathroom over here, laundry room over here. Let's see, garage is out here. Oh, and we have the pool table that we haven't assembled yet is out here. So there's the pool table. That's actually one of the high priority things I need to get done here. Okay, so we just left the garage. Come over here into the dining room. Dining room, got the dining room table here. Nothing too fancy. I do kind of like these seats, the look of them and everything like that. Painted this. Obviously painted this room here. This room's really cool down here. And we also govied this, so not only can we just like have our normal bright lights on, but I can also govie it. And this is actually one of our workarounds. So there's a light switch up there at the top, but there's not a light switch down here. So one of our workarounds is to use the govies to light switch this down here. So I'll run back upstairs real quick, shut this off, turn on the govies. They got these unplugged over here. What's going on, man? They're plugged in. What the heck's going on, dude? Why are they not on, bro? Oh, they turned them off right here. Strange. Okay. But yeah, there should be a remote down here somewhere too for the govies, to activate the govies or whatever. But yeah, TV set up, all the good stuff. Why are all the lights off? What the heck's going on here, dude? Whatever. Yeah, those are supposed to be all lit up and everything. The bed's lit up. I don't know what all kind of things they did, but I can just save that for another time. It looks way sicker whenever the bed lights are on and the nightstand lights are on, and also when you change these govies to be a particular color. Oh, bathroom down here. Lighting's probably terrible. So blacked out this bathroom. You can see brand new vanity. This whole everything got redone. We did all the floors down here, everything like that. New vanity, new toilet, again new floors. Painted the bathroom, painted all down here. It was so dated down here. It's crazy. This is one of the biggest transformations of the house. Try to move this along a little quicker because we only have like a 5-minute limit. Going upstairs real quick. Just do a quick run through. It's chilly up here. Got a second thermostat up here. And then, boom, just a bedroom. Another bathroom, full bathroom. On here, what's up, guys? How's it going? Peace out. And then, another bedroom. This is kind of like the master bedroom. We went bold and went pink on this. I meant to actually use a different color pink here, but I painted it the wrong color pink before I realized. Actually, I bought the wrong color pink before I realized this pink was actually supposed to go in here. And then this lighter pink was supposed to be used in here. But we tamed down the pink a little bit with this green. I don't know if you can tell. This is actually a green on the wall here. Very, very dark green. But I got some green accents. Got this thing that matches perfectly. And this is actually based off of a Nike shoe. Green here. Got TVs in all our bedrooms. Brand new carpet all throughout here. This carpet was run dingy. And another really cool room. Mainly just the painting on the wall. This is one of our favorite styles right here. But yeah, that's pretty much the rundown. We pretty much went through it all. There it is. This is our Pinehurst property. This is actually one of our biggest investment properties. And yeah, we did a pretty good little flip job on it. Painted everything, carpets, floors. We didn't do any floors down in the main level. Let me shut off some of these lights as I go. See, govie here, because they have this weird light switch thing going on here. So we just overcome that by govieing it, so that way, yeah, we don't have to do a bunch of electrical work. And it kind of creates a vibe where they can, you know, put whatever they want color-wise. Oh, there's those lights. Boom. All right. I'm going to peace out, you guys. Peace out. Catch y'all in the next one. Let me know what y'all think.